and welcome to Erika's Best, where I will bring you the best of the best and more. Well, today I am going to be making cake balls. And, I wanted to make cake pops, but unfortunately, I didn't have any more sticks. So, cake balls it is. So, I had some cake. It got a little dry. So I couldn't use it in the preparation that I initially wanted to use it for. So I decided, since it's a little too dry for that and I didn't want to try to re-moisturize it in its current cake form, I decided I would change it and make cake balls. So all you need is cake. And you decide how much cake you want to have. I have two 7-inch cakes, and I'm just going to, I already broke one up in here. It's already broken, all crumbles, and that's what you want it to look like. You want it to be very crumbly. This can work with any type of cake you have. It can even add your frosting. Now, so now I have all of my cake crumbled up, and now if you wanted to add some additional flavor, like if you had some vanilla extract or some other extract or some other powder flavoring, like me, I'm adding a packet of Kool-Aid, lemonade Kool-Aid, because I want these to taste lemony. So I'm going to add the whole package of lemonade in here. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of citric acid, which will also bring out that lemony flavor, and it will add in keeping it fresh as well, because citric acid is a natural preservative. And so then you just want to mix that in really well. Smells nice and lemony. And you can taste it to make sure it's at the level you want it to be, or if you want to add some more flavoring to it, this would be, you can add it now, or you can add it once you add some of the frosting. So I'm going to go ahead and add some of the frosting in, and then once I add some of the frosting in, then I'll taste it with the frosting and see if I need to add another package of the lemonade Kool-Aid, or if this is enough. So here I have my prepared buttercream. You can use any buttercream. The only thing I don't recommend is using a store container of frosting, like the ready-made frosting. The only reason is that ready-made frosting doesn't set hard. So when you go to dip your cake balls or cake pops into the chocolate, then it will fall apart into your chocolate. So you want to use a homemade, any type of homemade, because the fats that you use will be sufficient to get hard in the refrigerator. And this is just a regular buttercream that I'm using. I will leave a recipe in the description box. So I hope you are enjoying my videos, and if you are, please give me a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. So you're trying to get this to be into a paste that will come together in a ball. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Just give me 1 second while I mix this all in. I have enough frosting in here. So now I just need to make sure I mix it all in. You don't want too little, because then it'll be too dry and it won't stick together. What you want to be able to do is this. And it holds. That's what you're looking for. And that's 1 cake. And I'm going to taste it right now just to see my flavor, to see if I have enough lemon flavor, if I need to add another. Making balls until I have no more dough, and then these will need to refrigerate for about 30 minutes to an hour to harden up, and then we will take them out, dip them in the white chocolate, decorate them, and then they'll be ready to go. And you can make these any size. I mean, you don't want to make them too big. You want them to be about 2 bites, I say, is a good size. So that's about 2 bites. I made this one a little small, but it's okay. But you just keep making them until you have no more dough. This can be, like I said, any cake, and it can be any color. You could take a vanilla cake, and if you wanted it to be, let's say you had you were having a party and the colors were red and gold and black or whatever, you can literally make these whatever color you want. I remember I made some cake pops for a wedding one time, and the color scheme was purple and platinum, and I made purple cake balls, and then I put them in white chocolate, and I covered it with a silverish luster dust. The bride was very happy with those cake pops. So I'm just going to continue until I have no more cake dough. Okay, we're back. Those 2 7-inch cakes made 30 2-bite cake balls. So I'm going to now put them in the refrigerator and refrigerate them. Alright, well, we are back. We are. I have some sprinkles, so I'm just going to do them, and you know, when they're done, then we'll be done. So, you know, sometimes they do have a cake ball maker that you can put cake batter in, and then from the cake batter you can make your cake balls. But the problem with that is you just end up with a lot of dry cake, because every time that I have tried, I have one, and every time that I have tried, it has resulted in a very dry cake. And I don't know if that's just because the silicone thing is not baking it evenly, or if it's me, I don't know, but it doesn't bake them. It doesn't give them that moist deliciousness that you get when you use cake mix with the frosting mixed in. Because with that, like I said, you get a nice moist cake ball. It has, I mean, it can be just dipped in to these nuts, I believe. Let me see. And then I can drizzle some chocolate on top of it. So you can do these any way. You can do just about anything as far as the decorations are concerned with the cake balls. So please feel free to do whatever you do, as much or as little. If you don't like a lot of white chocolate, then do less. But I like a lot of white chocolate. You can do just about anything as far as the decorations are concerned with the cake balls. So please feel free to do whatever you want to do. Once these are chilled on this side, I'm going to flip them over and put some more on the back side, so they'll have white chocolate all over them. And yes, and then they'll be done. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you stopping by. Please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And please send me a comment. If there's something you want me to, a recipe you want me to do, put that in the comment section. I have 2 viewer comments that I'm going to do this week. One is going to be cinnamon rolls, and the other one is going to be a coffee cake. So please, if you have a request, ask me in the comment section, and I will be more than happy to do that recipe for you. So I thank you for watching. God bless you. Have a blessed week. Bye for now.